Good day guys, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to another video. What I want to show you today are a few quick shortcut settings on the head unit. I also want to show you just one or two other things. First of all, I like to with my phone, I put it in here like that. And I have sticked this carbon look vinyl on here just in order to protect the piano black surrounding here, because they scratch extremely easily. So I've just sticked it on there, and that protects the piano black part of my dashboard from scratches. Also, when you have this car, you know that getting a phone mount to work on this car, it's very difficult. So the plan that I have made is I got one of these little magnets. It has this extension arm at the back, and I found the perfect place for it. I'm just trying to show you. I found the perfect place for it, right there behind the steering wheel. And it's easy with your phone plugged in to just mount it there. It's very nice. It's within your view, and you can shift it a bit, which works beautifully. I think that's a good plan to have it fitted there. And alright, now, okay viewers, what I want to show you here is the drag down menu, this one here, and how to edit it. Now this is a shortcut screen for most of your functions. I see that one is in light. It's supposed to be in comfort. I switched it into light the other evening and I forgot about it. Just shows you those stays in the mode that you leave them in the steering mode. This one does not. It always defaults back normal mode. When you put it into the eco mode or sport mode, it doesn't stay there. So what I want to show you here is when you want to adjust your shortcut screen here and add or subtract from this, you tap on this one here. You see now that turns into an OK button. So what happens now is, say you want to add one here, it gives you a whole host of additions that you can put there. However, I have already exhausted all my options, as you can see, and my custom key here is always set to wireless charging, so that I can turn on or off this wireless charging pad, and I always do it with this button. Okay, that doesn't mean you have to do it. You can set it in whichever function you want, but that's how you do it. You drag down and you tap here, and you can now adjust and modify the screen as you see fit. Guys, one more thing I want to show you. Seriously consider, if you own this vehicle, to get a screen protector for this head unit. It's a thick glass screen protector like the one you have on your phone for both of the displays. It will help you with when you have your rag and you want to just clean off your system so that you don't scratch it. It will assist with fingerprints on your screens. It will help just to protect it in general. I think it's a very good idea to have that fitted. I fitted mine within the first 500 kilos that I had the car, so that's something that I can definitely point out to you to consider getting. Okay, for this video, that's it. If this is the content you enjoy, you like seeing, and you need to see to learn more about your car, why not consider to subscribe to the channel? You'll be notified when I load more videos and more content, and that way you can keep on learning. Thanks guys, have a good one, stay safe, and catch you on the next one.